Philip Anunda, Principal Geteri Secondary School. Geteri kutoka Masaba South, Nyaribari Masaba constituency. Geteri is a sub-county school registered under the Ministry of Education. Na inde kwa vatore curriculum ya 844 mpaka form 4 level. Ntagete bwa kampu ya manonga abaiburi baito mpaka ndate kutosira asengencho yogoto abana. Geteri bona igatubata abana close to 500, lakini 3 years ago abana barenge less than 120. In terms of performance, school yetu temere kuna gokoratore buya manya still to get room for improvement. Tenga na biere buyang totebenga because of the challenges that we have at the school level, our performance is still, we need to do slightly better than what we have been doing, and we thank God that the support from the government and our parents, we are on an upward trajectory. Aso mwaka uyu oerete 2023 ntwakoretie matemo ya KCSE. We thank God amatemo imbe yasogete, we didn't have any challenges, and we managed to get abana bake bakogenda university. Boy want to what abana bakogenda middle level colleges, and of course in Baroron and the batakorete buya, but still they can go to TVET institutions and shape their future and make a living out of the results that they got. A few challenges that we have as a school, you go to staffing. Abarimu baito baisaini ase chisukuru chetu. For example, in our school, we only have one business studies teacher and one agriculture teacher and one chemistry teacher in a population of 500 students. That is a big challenge. Ekero tokorigere naki toranyare gokora emirimo yibuya, considering the fact that barimu tibaisai. Gonko request to the ministry and teacher service commission, but as much as possible, but barimu because we have requested for them. Na inde kero tu asabire, we thank them that they kero tibari atokire ngoto tabari. So in future, we promise to do much better. Our target should be 4.2 in the coming year in our KCSE. Ours was 3.85 this year, and we were at 3.6, meaning we almost hit the target of 3.85, which we had targeted for 2023. Geteri is not about academics alone. We are also passionate na mangana co-curricular activities because mangana CPC mama yetenga mtu minto serikali nko engage era waibori asa mangana competence based curriculums. Geteri in sports, we always register and present students at the national level, especially in music and athletics. Like mwaka urio ertu twagenda Nyeri no urio under 2022 we were in Kisumu for music festivals. In athletics, we also had some students representing the county at the nationals in Eldoret. So it is an all-round school, talent nurturing and also academic improvement and development. We want to believe that in the future, as we work towards improving our academics, we also work to improve in other activities which are also useful in achieving an all-round citizen, just as the Presidential Working Party on Education reforms states and advises. Kenya saba konye mwako yobo yuwa magendera mwako yobo yuwa bosemeri na indembu yamone kiagara matemo ito chinse no chanyari bari masaba igaso gatabuya nechi school chonsi chwa kama tem tunashukuru sana. Finally, we want to thank our leadership for being supportive to us. They are very supportive in terms of infrastructure development, in terms of bursaries. Our governor, our CS, our local member of parliament through CDF, our MCA. Mungu awabariki sana, kwa sababu yale ambayo mnafanya ni kwa ajili ya maendeleo ya shule zetu. Thank you very much and God bless you so much.